wedding to attend but don't want to spend big bucks on the jewelry? Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar and today I'm going to talk about Sukkhi Glamorous gold-plated jewelry combo. In this combo, you're going to get 2 neck pieces, 2 set of earrings and 2 Maangtikkas. They're gold-plated so they can be paired with all kinds of Indian wear like saris, lehengas. While they might look very expensive and very heavy, they are in fact very lightweight. So it's going to sit comfortably on your neck and you're not going to feel anything at all. What I also like about this jewelry set is that it is nickel free, so that means it is very skin friendly and anybody can use it. It is anti-allergic, so that means it is not going to cause any allergic reactions with your skin. I think it's a perfect ethnic jewelry when you want to look decked up but you don't want to spend the big bucks. I think it's a great way of looking glamorous without breaking the bank. Just make sure you avoid contact with perfumes, so that's going to make your jewelry shine and the color last really long. I think you can definitely buy this for yourself or you can give it as a gift as well. I'll come back with another product. Until then, have fun. Bye-bye.